How to recover your deleted contacts on your Android phone in 2022. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get your deleted contacts back easy and fast. So all what you have to do is please keep watching until the end. First thing, go to Play Store and search for this app. It's called Recover Deleted All Contacts and it has plus 1 million downloads. This app is gonna help you to recover deleted contacts and yeah, very easy and fast in just a few minutes. I tried this app and it actually works well. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.